Welcome to our unboxing of the Sternsteiger Diana Half Gold Cutlery 30 pieces box set. Now that the box is unwrapped, let's break it open and look inside. Here you can see the accompanying documentation. Diana is manufactured using 1810 stainless steel, making it durable and suitable for dishwashers, so it can make an appearance on every well-laid table for a long time. All gold variants of Diana are coated with a highly durable coating of 22-24 karat gold that is warranted to last up to 25 years. The set consists of forks, knives, spoons, teaspoons and dessert forks with 6 pieces each. Diana is manufactured in the well-known city of blades and cutlery, Solingen in Germany, and lays the foundation for Sternsteiger's goal to revive cutlery made in Solingen. And finally, we have the full set laid out. Thank you very much for watching.